everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to create an apple.com account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.apple.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official web page, scroll all the way down and under account, click on manage your Apple ID. From the main home page, click on create your Apple ID button at the top right and enter your first name in the first text box and then type in your last name. Select your country or your region from the drop down and then provide your birthday information. Enter the new Apple ID you'd like to use for your Apple account. And once you enter your Apple ID you'd like to use, on the next field, create a password for yourself. Make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long or more. Use uppercase and lowercase letters, at least one number in your password. Now, retype in the password on the next field in order to confirm and select your country code from the drop-down. Enter a valid phone number that you can always have access to. Under verify with, select if you'd like to receive a verification through text message or phone call, and then once you are done making your selection, if you'd like to receive Apple emails, communications including announcements, etc., make sure to check this announcements button. If you don't want to do that, leave it unchecked. Similarly, if you want to receive Apple emails and communications including new releases, exclusive content and special offers and more, make sure to check this little box at the bottom as well. If not, leave it unchecked as well and then enter the character that has been displayed at the bottom. Finally, click the continue button at the bottom in order to create a new account with apple.com. Now, on the next page, you'll need to verify your email address to create your new Apple account. Go ahead and open up your email inbox on a new tab. Open up the email received from Apple and copy your code. Enter the verification code in this text boxes and click continue. Now verify your phone number as well in order to finish up setting your Apple ID. Simply enter the code that you received via text message on your mobile device that you registered with and click continue. And there you have successfully created a new account from the apple.com website. Once you've created your account, you can use it to access a variety of Apple services including the App Store, iTunes and iCloud. That was how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.